السلام.
مزہ نہیں آیا تسی اقرا خالد اینڈ چارلز زدی ایونٹ تے آئے ہو. السلام علیکم ایوری ون.
وعلیکم السلام.
MashaAllah, you guys are absolutely amazing. First and foremost, thank you so much for being here. We're really happy to be here, aren't we, Charles?
We certainly are, and I am so pleased to see so many friends in the house today celebrating Ramadan and this holy month, and also breaking fast with all of you.
Thank you so much, Charles. Charles is awesome, isn't he? Come on, man, that was a bit lackluster. Charles is awesome, isn't he?
Yes, yes.
We'll start our program today by inviting our very respected and very dear friend, Qari Shafiq, to come and recite the Quran to get us started. Qari Shafiq, please come and join us on the stage.